Hey, this is Justin Gilman with Quantum Leads, and today I'll be walking through your digital marketing attack plan so I can show you how to turn your website into a lead generation machine and really generate more revenue for your business month over month. Now, in order to do that, we first have to understand how are people finding lawn care businesses in your area. And if you're like me and many others, chances are you go up here to the Google search bar, type in whatever service or industry you're looking for, along with your city name. And after doing that, you're going to scroll down and pick from the first few results down below in the organic search results, or you'll pick from this Google Map Pack right here. Now, it doesn't really matter which one you do, but it seems to be a pretty popular option to find services through Google. As you'll notice, there are roughly 500 searches every single month for lawn care companies in Des Moines, Iowa. And the goal of this video is going to be to put your business at the forefront of those searches so we can guarantee that 500 people every single month see your business first before looking at the competition. Now, in order for that to happen, there's a few different things that we're going to need to do first. So first off, let's talk about content because content is really king on Google. So we're going to take a look at your competitor site, see what they're doing as far as content goes, and then we'll go back and compare that to your website. You can look at your competitor site, A Plus Lawn and Landscape, and if we scroll down their website, they do have a few different paragraphs of content here and there, but nothing too massive. And this really leaves the door open for somebody like you to go in and outrank them because content is a very important aspect when it comes to what Google is looking for. So we really want to have a very content-full site as it gives users something to engage with and promotes that positive user experience. And that's exactly what Google's looking for when they are looking to rank a company on the first page. So definitely a first kind of trade-off. Like I said, a lot of content on this website. And then on top of that, we're going to want keywords to go with that content. Now, keywords are the most used words or phrases on a web page. And based on these keywords, we're going to tell Google vital information about our business, such as what we do, maybe where we operate from, and ultimately who we are as a business. So very important, like I said, that we have a very content-full site and that we have the keywords to back it. So let's take a look at your website and see if it follows that pattern. So here we are on your website, and if we scroll down your site, I notice that you do have some content here. Once again, just like your competitor, a few different paragraphs here and there, but ultimately we don't have enough content. We want a very content-full site. I normally like to recommend about 750 to 1,000 words, and that should put you at a bigger amount than your competitor. But you can always feel free to go bigger and better than that if you'd like. So 750 to 1,000 words of content, but then I also talked about keywords. Now, we're going to need those industry-specific keywords, things like lawn care, Des Moines, really any information that we want to tell Google about our business. So 750 to 1,000 words on the page, industry-specific keywords, and that should set the first part of our process here. Now that's going to be the internal side of things. We also have the external side of things. Now the external side of things is going to give us that really big push and help us climb over our competition. And essentially it's our backlinking and our citations. So let's go back to your competitor's website and take a look at their backlink structure, and then we'll compare that to your website and see how you stack up so far. So here we are in a tool I use called Ahrefs, and you'll notice that your competitor has about 7,600 backlinks built to their site, and they're generating about 2,100 users every single month. Now, those 2,100 users every single month are a direct result of the things that they're doing internally as far as content and keywords go, as well as the things that they're doing externally with their 7,600 backlinks. Now, once again, the goal of this video is always to go bigger and better than our competitors, so we're going to need upwards of 8,000 backlinks, maybe even 10,000 to really push that margin and go above our competitor. But let's take a look at your website and see what you're working with so far. So now here we are taking a look at your website in Ahrefs, and you'll notice that you don't have any backlinks built to your site, and ultimately you're not generating any organic traffic. And that really hurts our business because our website is a 24/7 salesperson for us. It makes sales at 10 at night and it makes sales at 3 in the morning. So we have to give it all the information and all the resources it needs to really close out those sales. And that information and those resources are backlinks, content, keywords, and also citations. So let's talk about citations and see how they tie into everything here. So if you take a look here on my screen, you're going to see that we have the Google Map Pack here. And the Google Map Pack is super important as it gives our business a second place that we can be seen online. Now, the Map Pack looks for a variety of different factors when it ranks its companies, one of the most important being citations. Now, citations are all the different places your business's name, address, and phone number are going to be listed online. Some popular citations are things like Yelp, Instagram, Facebook, Yellow Pages, Yellow Book. All those are different citations you can get for your business, and they all help with the Google Map Pack. Now, I took it upon myself to look through each one of these companies and found that the number one company had 72 citations, followed by 57, and lastly, 38. So if number one is 72 citations, once again, we always want to go bigger and better. So we're going to need 144 citations on top of our backlinks, on top of our content, and on top of our industry specific keywords. And if we do all that, we should start to see a very positive movement in the amount of traffic our website is generating, but more importantly, the amount of revenue that our business is bringing back for us month over month. Now, that's all I have for you in this video, but I will leave you with one last question, and that question is, what can an extra 480 customers a month do for your business? Once again, my name is Justin Gilman with Quantum Leads. I hope this video is very educational, and thank you for watching.